but this is the first time I've seen a Lumo stopped on the platform. I've seen them pass at York and Doncaster, but never seen them stopped before. This is the first, I guess. Hi everyone, Reece's Trains, and today you join me up north in Newcastle in Northumberland, and we're going to watch some trains here for a little bit and see what variety of trains they have here. We've got the announcements going on all the time, so we have to try my best and see what I could do while these announcements are going off and see what trains they have here. So let's have a look around the station and then we'll have a look at some trains. Okay, you've got ticket barriers here. And you've also got this nice bridge, I think similar to what they have at Carlisle Station. We've got some 156s sitting here, and this LNER Zoomer is about to depart for Edinburgh. And there goes this LNER Zoomer for Edinburgh via Berwick-upon-Tweed.
Locked after 1 minute before the departure time of the train. This is to ensure your safety, comfort and a prompt departure from this station.
And this 156 is now departing for Morpeth. Train coming in right over there.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1401 LNER Zoomer, service to London King's Cross. Call at Darlington, York and London King's Cross. This train has 9 coaches. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. First class accommodation can be found in zones 1 to 3, standard class in zones 4 to 9.
We're pulling in over there. There it is. And after York, it's straight down to King's Cross. There goes that LNER Zoomer for London King's Cross. (800-112), so that might have been a service that originated from Aberdeen, but I'll check RTT and confirm it. Over there is a Lumo 803004.
Platform 6 will be the 1357 Northern service to Hexham. Call it Dunstan.
But this is the first time I've seen a Lumo stopped on the platform. I've seen them pass at York and Doncaster, but never seen them stopped before. This is the first, I guess. 158853 pulling in. I think that's come from Carlisle because that might be the service I'm getting next. Got another one coming in, I believe terminated from Liverpool Lime Street. And this 156 is now leaving for Middlesbrough. Right, as I've got another train to catch in about 10 minutes, I'm going to call it filming here. So, hope you enjoyed seeing some trains here at Newcastle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, all the usual things. And I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.